Today's packing video is going to be a little different because technically, I'm not packing. Hey everyone, so I'm not packing in this video because I'm actually unpacking. See the background behind me? I'm actually already at the destination that we're going to, and I'm having to film this on my phone because I didn't get a chance to film it and get it uploaded, and you'll probably see it at the end of the trip that we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip this as I talk, and I'm going to turn you around. So here is the suitcase that I brought, and I'm just going to kind of reverse engineer show you what I packed. Now this is the smallest of our Smith & Brown suitcases. Do have the expander on it, but that's one of those stories. So the last time we did a staycation and when we went on our road trip, this bag became the bag that had like my toiletries, the emergency meds, and some of my other personal things like for journaling, my Bible, my planner, things like that were in here. But because we're travel schooling, this was used for something else this time. And I'll show that in our how we packed for travel schooling for staycation video. But let me go ahead and start reverse engineering and reverse packing because I'm unpacking and show you what I packed for a staycation. Now, when I have access to a washer and dryer for a staycation, I do not pack as much, and they are okay with us using their washer and dryer while we're here, and then we do other things to be a blessing to pay them back for that privilege. So we do pack a little less for like a staycation with laundry than we do for trips where we do not have guaranteed laundry. Like our trip to Disney, we packed an outfit for every single day. But this is a little different. So these are normally my pull shoes, and they're starting to wear out. I may have to get a new pair next year or year after. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. And that's my dog's hair. And then my sleeve is covered in the hair of the dog that we're house sitting for. But these are my pull shoes. I like these to go to and from the bathroom because the room I'm staying in has a bathroom connected to it. So I like having that for like when I first get out of the shower. I'm not stepping onto a floor. I can just step straight into my shoes. It's just a me thing. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and bring those just for to and from showers. One time while we're here, Matt and I are going to play what I call vehicle swap, and he's going to bring the van to us so that we can still make it for church. Now the first Sunday we're doing distance watch because like he just left. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, and then he's been gone all day, and we can't leave our dog that long. So we're going to distance watch tomorrow. And kind of like that refresh, like I'm not saying don't go to church. I'm just saying that refresh sometimes for us is good of like distance watching because the whole absence makes the heart grow fonder thing. So I love having the ability to be able to watch whenever we just can't make it on Sundays. And then next Sunday, we're going to make it. Plus next Sunday is also the day that we will come home from this trip. This is, excuse me, so a couple weeks ago, I had my sweet grandmother had an extra ticket to the symphony, the Knoxville Symphony Orchestra. They were playing Gershwin and Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, and before I lost more of my hearing than I already had, I did play musical instruments, multiple of them. I'm a huge fan of like music. I love listening to music, and I love orchestral music, and I've loved going to see the KSO. So I went to do that, and for the first time in a very long time, probably since before we even got married, I went and bought makeup. So now the last 2 trips I have traveled with makeup, and I'm kind of learning the new way that people put makeup on in 2024 versus when I was a teen in the early mid 2000s. So this is where all the makeup is now. This is my toiletries bag, and I really need to swap this one out. So CeraVe, if you're watching. So I love CeraVe lotion, and in the summer, this one's perfect for just faces. But it has SPF 30 in it, and that's great for like, there will be a couple of days we'll be out, and the temperature will be back up in the mid 70s during the day. So that'll probably be fun to wear something with a little SPF in it. But then like some of the days we're here, the high is going to be in the 60s or the 50s during the day. So like those days I don't really need, SPF 30, but they don't sell like their non-SPF daytime lotion, excuse me, in that size. But they do the nighttime one. So I kind of just compensate and use that one. But I am glad to see that Sam's is now putting these two together. There's also a doTERRA. Excuse me, my voice. The humidity keeps going up and down. When the temperature goes up and down and humidity goes up and down, my throat can't tolerate it. So this is the doTERRA Deep Blue. It's for muscle cramps. Deodorant right here. This has like personal sharp things like tweezers, nail clippers. I don't travel with tweezers and nail clippers. Like when we drove across to Canada, I did not take those with me. Like anywhere like that, I don't take sharp things. Has body powder. The Shout to Go wipes work amazingly. And then this last pocket, and this is the packing cube. If you saw, it matches my suitcase that was gifted to us when these Samantha Brown suitcases were gifted to us, and they're perfect for travel, especially like one like this where I can put wet things. Speaking of which, I had already pre-purchased because like I said, we stayed here in over the summer, our 16-day road trip. So we also did like swimming and stuff here. So I left shampoo and conditioner, body wash here. So you won't see me like unpacking that. But normally I would have that like in a separate bag. The last time we house sat, we didn't film anything just because I didn't know if the people that we were house sitting for, it was the first time we house sat for them. I didn't know how they would feel about, you know, vloggers vlogging while they were there. And one of their neighbors was already paranoid about us being there. So, but the last time we did it, I literally just put everybody's shampoo and conditioners in grocery bags in a garbage bag and took it because that was just the easiest way to haul it. But these are the plackers that we use. This is a nail file that has the 7 different things on it. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I am loving these detangle combs, you guys. It's, and also this one's like eco-friendly. It's made of recycled material. And of course my parting comb. So that's it for toiletries bag. Usually I just keep that on this bench down here. Let me smooth this over here. This is our, what I call my portable pharmacy. Any over-the-counter medication that my family may possibly take. It's in this bag. And then in between travel, we try to take from the bag first, so we finish it off so we don't have to throw anything away. Like, there's some motion sickness medicine left over from our trip to Canada that I really need to get. This bag I love because it's solid. This is my undergarments bag. No, not opening it. So again, because this was a staycation where I have access to a washer and dryer, and I actually do have 2 bags to wash and 2 bags to fold of laundry that didn't get finished before I came because busy week. It's just that time of year. So other than that, like this is what I pack though, and most of those clothes are the kids. So on a staycation, when I pack, I usually just plan for like 2 to 3 neutral pieces each, 1 set of pajamas, and then if I need nice clothes, I pack nice clothes. So this is the nice outfit that I planned for the one Sunday that we'll be at church, and then I'm also working the nursery the weekend that we do go. So I have a full length cardigan that like the long fall length ones. I love these from Walmart. The first couple times that they did them, they weren't soft, but these are. And the one I'm wearing now is from Walmart, and it's actually like a tunic length, and I love it. So that I could probably hang up if I wanted to, but I'm probably just going to put everything back, but I don't know. We'll see. And then this t-shirt, this pair of fall leggings, and this brown skirt that you saw me wear to Epcot years ago. Still fits. It's a little loose on me now, thankfully. And it's perfect for like layering in the fall, and it's super lightweight. And it's kind of like that. I want to throw dressy over my leggings and wear, you know, something fall themed. That's what that skirt is perfect for. And then in the summer, if like I can wear like with shorts with it and wear it for like dressier outdoorsy stuff, if that makes sense. Normally I don't pack jeans, but again, it was a close staycation. So I packed a pair of jeans because also I wanted to go ahead and plan 2 outfits just in case. Like what we do is we plan 3 days worth of clothes for at the place we're staying. We packed 1 change of nice casual clothes, 1 outfit for dressy, and like I said, the pajamas. So these are the shirts. I have my fall gnomes. I packed a lot of fall clothes because it's October. Autumn is my favorite color shirt right here. And then this one says he left the 99. And those are the 3 that I picked. They're kind of all fall neutral colors. That one's like a fall maroonish color one. The jeans are here. And then what I also packed is, because the weather is kind of, this week the weather's weird. It's going to shoot up to the mid 70s for part of the week. And then it's going to go back down in the 50s and 60s with the lows kind of varying from 30 to 50 degrees. So I did pack the jeans. I packed 1 pair of capris. I packed 1 pair of black pants. These are kind of like a halfway point, but they're not sweatpants. They're not super lightweight. So they're kind of like that midpoint in there for those. So I did pack one set of pajamas here, and then the other thing I did pack is Matt is going to be doing a one-night stay over the night before we head back to our house. So I packed him one change of pajamas for him as well in here, and then in the dirty clothes bags that need washed, one of the clean clothes bags he has a clean nice t-shirt, and then the other ones he has a dirty pair of nice khakis. So that way, like, he has a spare outfit as well. This is another nice outfit if need be. This is like a full-length pair of leggings. They're from Aldi. Has the narrower waistband on it. Absolutely love these. They're super soft. This is the hoodie that I bought at Whitefish Point, Michigan. It is like a tank or a tunic length hoodie t-shirt or hoodie long sleeve shirt thing. Really, really soft. Love it. This is like a high cut. It's like a tank top and sport bra all in one. It goes perfect with stuff like that for mixing and matching purposes. And then these two outfits are two outfits for like working in the yard. Because like I said, we try to, when we stay over at people's houses, we try to find one way to be a blessing to them. I know they're already paying us for the work, but also like we don't take a lot of money when we do these jobs, and we want to also do them as a way to give back to others. So we try to find little things to do whenever we go, just to kind of help them out. Not because people's houses are gross, and honestly, if like somebody's house was super gross, I'd probably say no thanks, I'm not gonna house it for you. That wasn't the case. So yeah, we would just try to find little things to do. And this time we do have a couple things that we really just want to do for them to kind of help them out, especially with holidays coming up. But that is it for my reverse packing. And that's how I pack for a staycation when I have access to a washer and dryer. But that's it for today's video. Thank you to all our members for supporting this content and allowing us to continue making videos. And thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing. And we'll see you next time.